Hello my dear students, welcome to Brahmi tutorial. Today I will be teaching Mathematics ICSE grade 10. Under that we are going to deal with the concept finding the trigonometric ratios for other angles. Now let's know different units used to measure the angles. We use degrees to measure the angles. Let's know some more units used to measure the angles. If we take 1 degree and divide it into 60 equal parts, then one such equal part is known as 1 minute, and symbol for minute is a single dash. If we take one such minute and divide it into 60 equal parts, then one such equal part is known as 1 second, and symbol for a second is double dash. So 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now let's know how to find the trigonometric ratios for other angles. In class 9, we have learned the trigonometric ratios for standard angles such as 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. But it's nearly impossible for us to learn all the trigonometric ratios for all angles. So we'll be using a book called the Clark's Tables, and we'll be using this book to find the trigonometric ratios for other angles. In this book, we'll be only using natural sines, natural cosines and natural tangents. Now if we take any page such as natural sines, natural cosines and natural tangents, here I have taken natural sines. In any page, we see the series of rows and columns. Now what are these rows and columns? The leftmost column represents the degrees. The rightmost column indicates the mean differences ranging from 1 minute to 5 minutes, and the topmost row indicates the minutes from 0 minute, then we have 6 minute, 12 minute, 18 minute, 24 minute, 36 minute, 30 minute, 36 minute, 42 minute, 48 minute and 54 minute. Now let's know how to find the trigonometric ratio of the angle when the angle is given in degrees. Now we have an example here. We have to find the sine of 53 degree. First, we have to go to the natural sines page and locate 53 degree. The number next to 53 degree, the number just adjacent or just next to the 53 degree, here it is 0.7986 is the sine of 53 degree. So if we want to find the sine or cosine or tangent of a number of an angle which is given in degrees, first we have to go to the page. If we are finding sine, we have to go to the natural sines page. If we are finding the cosine, then we have to go to the natural cosine page. Or if we are finding the tangent, we have to go to the natural tangent page. Then locate the degree, and the number next to it is the sine or tan or cos of the given degree of the angle. Next, let's learn how to find the trigonometric ratio of the angle when the angle is given in terms of degrees and minutes. For example, we have to find what is or not. Here 36 is a multiple of 6. So we first have to find what is the number before decimal, then we have to find the number after the decimal. To find the number before the decimal, first you have to find what is tan of 53 degree. From the class table, we get to know that tan of 53 degree is 1.3270. To find the number before the decimal, we need what is the tan of 53 degree. Tan of 53 degree is 1.3270. The number before decimal of tan 53 degree 36 minute is same as the number before decimal of tan 53 degree. So the number before decimal of tan 53 degree 36 minute is 1. I repeat again, the number before the decimal of tan 53 degree 36 minute is same as the number before decimal of tan 53 degree. So the number before the decimal of tan 53 degree 36 minute is 1. To find the number before the decimal, to find the number after the decimal, to find the number after the decimal, you have to open the natural tangents page and find 53 degree. Then you have to find the intersection of 53 degree row and 36 minute column. To find the number after the decimal, you have to open the natural tangents page and find 53 degree. After finding 53 degree, you have to find the intersection of 53 degree row and 36 minute column. Here the intersection of 53 degree row and 36 minute column is 3564. This number 3564 is the number after decimal of tan 53 degree 36 minute. So we find that the tan of 53 degree 36 minute is 3564.
Sorry, the tan of 53 degree 36 minute is 1.3564.
Now let's learn how to find the trigonometric ratio of the angle where the angle is given in terms of degrees and minutes and the minute is not a multiple of 6. For example, we have to find what is cos of 59 degree 27 minute. 27 is not a multiple of 6. So we have to split 27 to a nearest multiple of 6. So the nearest multiple of 6 is 24. So cos 59 degree 27 minute is equal to cos 59 degree 24 minute plus 3 minute. So cos 59 degree 27 minute is equal to cos 59 degree 24 minute plus 3 minute. We know how to find cos 59 degree 24 minute. So from the class table we get to know cos of 59 degree 24 minute is 0.5090. Next, we have to find the mean difference for 3 minute. Next, to find the mean difference for 3 minute. The mean difference for 3 minutes we have to find using the class table. First, you have to go to the natural cosines page and find 59 degree. After finding 59 degree, we have to go to the rightmost column. The rightmost column says mean differences and it has headings like from 1 minute, next you have 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute and 5 minute. First you have to go to the natural cosines page and find 59 degree. Then you have to find the intersection of 59 degree row. You have to find the intersection of 59 degree row and under the mean difference we have 3 minutes. So we have to find the intersection of 59 degree row and that 3 minute column. So the intersection of 59 degree row and 3 minute column is 8. The mean difference, this is the mean difference of 3 minutes. The number 8 is not just the mean difference of 8 minutes. The number 8 is not the mean difference of 3 minutes. This 8 indicates that the mean difference for 3 minutes is 0.0008. Means that 8 we have to put correct to 4 decimal places. For example, if the mean difference for 3 wasn't 8, if the mean difference for 3 was 16, if we assume, then the mean difference for 3 minutes was 0.0016. We have to put that number which we find in the class table to correct to 4 decimal place. So the mean difference for 3 minutes is 0.0008. So now we have to subtract this mean difference. We have to subtract this mean difference from the cos 59 degree 24 minutes. If we are finding cos of any number, then we have to subtract the mean difference from the we have to subtract the mean difference. If we were finding sine or tan if we were finding sine or tan when the angle is given in terms of degrees and minute and the minute is not a multiple of 6, in such a case, if we were finding sine or tan, then we would add the mean difference. For sine and tan, we have to add the mean difference. For cos, you have to subtract the mean difference. So students, you have to keep this in mind. For sine and tan, we have to add the mean difference. For cos, you have to subtract the mean difference. So, you have to subtract cos 59 degree 24 minute. You have to subtract mean difference for 3 minute with cos 59 degree 24 minute. So, it should be cos 59 degree 24 minute minus mean difference for 3 minutes. Why? We are finding the cos. If we are finding sine or tan, we would add the mean difference. Since we are finding cos, we have to minus the mean difference. So, 0.5090 minus 0.0008 is 0.5082. So, this value 0.5082 is the cos of the 59 degree 27 minute. So cos of 59 degree 27 minute is 0.5082. By this, we come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more educational videos.